morning all of you. So let us discuss how to find inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation. An example. Suppose A is equal to 3 0 minus 1 2 3 0 and 0 4 1 is a matrix. We need to find inverse of this matrix if possible with the help of elementary transformation. And the concept is, which we have already discussed, if we can write A is equal to IA and we take some operations or transformation in such a way that this A will become somehow identity and this A will remain same, then this I will automatically transform to A inverse, will automatically transform to A inverse. Let's see how we will use this phenomena to find inverse of this matrix. Let us write it properly. Let us write the given matrix A, which is in terms of matrix, I, which is again in terms of matrix, and let us write A as it is. Now our motive is to convert this matrix in terms of identity matrix. We will convert this in three ways. First of all, our key element. We take this as our key element. With the help of downward rows, we will make it as 1. So let us start with first operation. R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. So our key element will become 1. Here 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 0 is again minus 1, and other will remain same. Other will remain same. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, and 0 minus 0, and other. Now our key element is 1. Now with the help of this key element, we make other elements of first column as 0. This third one is already 0. So to make it 0, let us operate R2 is such that R2 minus twice R1. So when we operate it, others will remain same. This R2 will be changed. 2 minus 1 into 2 is 0. 3 minus minus 3 is minus 6 and it is 9. And this is 2 and minus 2, 3 and 0. And other will remain same. So after using two operations, we have got first column as identical. This is first part of it. Now we have to make our second key element as 1, this 9. And remember, whenever we need to make it 1, always use downward row. So to make it 1, let us use R2 is such that R2 minus twice R3. We will operate it. Now performing R2 is such that R2 minus 2 R3, we have got this as a result. Now our key element is 1. With the help of this 1, we will make other two elements of this row, this column as 0. How to make it? R1 is such that R1 plus 3 R2 and R3 is such that R3 minus 4 R2. So with the help of this one, we will make other two elements of this column as 0. So let us operate. R2 will remain same because it is not changing. 1 0 is equal to minus 2 3 minus 2, and others will change according to the operation. So we obtained this matrix after using these two operations. Now see, here it is almost identical except this element, and this is already we have got our key element as 1. So with the help of this, we will make it as 0. To make it as 0, we operate R1 is such that R1 plus R3, and so it will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and corresponding change in the result will be here. Other two will remain same, and we have got R1 plus R3. When we add, this gives you 3, this gives you minus 4, and this gives you 3. So this will be, as we all know, A inverse A. So this will be A inverse. By this way you can find A inverse by elementary transformation. Thank you.